You wake up tired. Not the kind of tired that sleep fixes, the kind that lives in your bones. Your waist is thicker than it was 2 years ago, even though you haven't changed much. Your drive is muted. Your strength feels borrowed. You push through the day, but you're not sharp the way you used to be. Not hungry for life the way you used to be. And somewhere in the back of your mind, you've started to wonder if this is just what 50 looks like. If this is just what getting older feels like. It isn't. What you're experiencing isn't aging. It's a specific, measurable biological collapse, and it has a specific, measurable cause. Your testosterone isn't declining because of your age. It's declining because your body has stopped performing the primal physical patterns it was designed to operate from. The deep squats, the heavy carries, the crawling, the ground movement, the physical demands that kept your hormonal engine running for thousands of years. Modern life stripped those patterns away quietly, sitting by sitting, decade by decade. And without them, your chemistry changed. Belly fat increased, which converted testosterone directly into estrogen. Pelvic circulation dropped, cutting blood flow to the hormonal center of your body. Your posterior chain weakened, signaling your nervous system to downgrade masculine output. And physical challenge disappeared, the exact stimulus that spikes testosterone at its biological root. 4 problems, 4 causes, 4 exercises that target each one directly. No TRT, no clinics, no prescriptions, just the movements your body has been waiting for. I'm Dr. Ada James. Welcome back. If you're finding this valuable, please like and subscribe. All right, let's get into it. Exercise 1, the Primal Squat Flow. This is the foundational movement pattern of the male body, and modern life has nearly erased it. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Sink slowly into a deep squat, only as far as your body allows without forcing it. Chest lifted, spine long, heels pressed into the ground. Once you're there, gently shift your hips from side to side, opening the inner thighs and releasing the lower back. Press your chest forward slightly to lengthen the spine. Then drive gently through your ankles to increase depth. Stay down for 45 to 60 seconds. Breathe slowly and fully. Here's what's happening while you hold that position. Your largest muscle groups are firing, which directly lowers aromatase, the enzyme responsible for converting testosterone into estrogen. At the same time, the pelvic structure is opening, flooding circulation back into a region directly connected to male hormone output. And your nervous system is receiving a signal it hasn't received in years. A primal ancestral pattern it recognizes and rewards with hormonal balance. This single movement improves energy, digestion, circulation, and testosterone simultaneously. Not because it's complicated, but because it's exactly what your biology has been waiting for. Exercise 2, the bear walk. If the squat flow restores your foundation, the bear walk reignites your fire. Get on all fours, hands under your shoulders, knees under your hips. Lift your knees 1 to 2 inches off the ground and lock your core tight. Now move forward, right hand, left foot. Left hand, right foot. Hips low, spine neutral, movement controlled, no rushing. 20 to 30 meters of full presence and tension. This movement is deceptively brutal. Full body tension under load activates your sympathetic nervous system, the same biological system that spikes testosterone before competition, before heavy effort, before physical dominance. It heats the body fast, aggressively burns the visceral belly fat that feeds estrogen production, and builds the shoulders, core, and hips, the structural triad of masculine physicality. But there's a deeper reason the bear walk works. It creates challenge. And biology is unambiguous on this point. Doing physically demanding things raises testosterone. When you move through space with controlled strength and total body tension, you activate the neural pathways responsible for drive, intensity, and capability. And those pathways trigger a hormonal cascade that reinforces everything you just expressed. The bear walk makes you feel alive because it stimulates the exact machinery that makes a man feel like himself. Exercise 3, the glute bridge to march. This is the exercise most men never do, and the absence of it may be the single biggest reason their testosterone collapsed. Lie on your back, knees bent, feet flat on the floor. Press through your heels and lift your hips into a straight line from knees to shoulders. Squeeze your glutes firmly and keep your spine neutral. Now, without letting your hips drop or rotate, Slowly lift your right foot. Lower it, lift your left. This slow, controlled marching pattern forces your glutes, deep core, and lower back to stabilize the pelvis while actively opening circulation through the base of your spine. Here's what most men don't know. The pelvic floor, the prostate region, and the deep abdominal tissues are where circulation stagnates most severely as men age, especially men who sit for long stretches every day. When blood flow to this region drops, hormone production drops with it. Testosterone, libido, recovery, and energy all decline in direct proportion to how congested and immobile the pelvis becomes. The glute bridge to march reverses that. It restores the physical foundation your hormones rely on. 12 to 16 marches per side. Breathe deeply throughout. This is not a glamorous exercise. It is an essential one. Exercise 4, the primal carry. Nothing in the human body's hormonal architecture responds more powerfully than this. Stand tall, a dumbbell or kettlebell in each hand, heavy enough that you feel it, light enough that your form holds. Pull your shoulders back. Open your chest. Brace your core as if you're about to take a hit. Now walk. Slow, controlled, deliberate, 20 to 30 meters. No wobbling, no rushing, just presence under load. Loaded carries trigger grip strength, one of the most potent neurological signals for testosterone production in the male body. They build the traps, lats, glutes, and core simultaneously. They correct posture immediately and visibly. They tighten the abdominal wall, reducing the appearance of belly fat before you've lost a pound. And they send a signal to your primitive biology that is older than language. You are carrying weight. You are capable. You are strong. You are in control. Studies consistently rank loaded carries among the highest testosterone spiking movements in existence. For men over 50, they offer something beyond the hormonal benefit. They restore confidence. And confidence, physiologically, is not separate from testosterone. It is testosterone made visible. The truth nobody told you. These 4 exercises, the Primal Squat Flow, the Bear Walk, the Glute Bridge to March, and the Primal Carry, attack every biological root of testosterone decline simultaneously. 10 to 12 minutes a day. That is the investment. In return, you get sharper cognition, deeper sleep, faster recovery, stronger posture, more energy before noon than you've had in years, and a body that stops working against you and starts working with you again. You don't need a prescription to feel strong. You need to restore the movements your body was built for. Movements men performed for hundreds of thousands of years before chairs, desks, and sedentary modern life quietly dismantled the very machinery that made them powerful. Bring back the movement. The testosterone follows. And when testosterone rises, your strength, your drive, your presence, and your life rise with it. Your best years didn't end at 50. They begin the moment you decide to take your body back. Now tell me in the comments, where in the world are you watching from? Let's see how many men are choosing to come back stronger. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.